What are the differences between Bitcoin and traditional currency? Let's take a look at the benefits of digital currency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has 5 differences from traditional currency: decentralization, cannot be forged, sustainability, irreversible, and convertibility. Let's go into details now. 1. Decentralization. Every currency in the world is ruled by some type of authority. All transactions must go through a bank, where the costs might be high and the transaction time between the two parties can be long. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is not controlled by any central authority. It is a decentralized network built on the collaboration and consensus of its users. As a result, even if a part of the network is offline, the transaction is recorded. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. 2. Cannot be forged. Bitcoin is built to be resistant to forgery. Blockchain technology, as well as several protective mechanisms built into the system, will ensure Bitcoin's legality. Most traditional currencies can be forged. Individual controlling organizations, on the other hand, do nothing to totally avert this situation. 3. Sustainability. Bitcoin does not have a specific physical form, hence it cannot be destroyed. Unlike paper money or coins, every Bitcoin is essentially permanent. 4. Irreversible. If someone makes a mistake and sends money to the wrong wallet, they have little recourse but to pray. Irreversibility, like many other elements of Bitcoin, is designed to prevent fraud. However, if it's fiat currency, all you have to do is pick up the phone and complain. 5. Convertibility. While a few fiat currencies, such as the dollar and the euro, are widely accepted around the world, most other countries' currencies can only be used in their home country. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a digital currency, which means that the operating environment will be global. That is the end of our video. Hope you can now understand more about the characteristics of Bitcoin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinFMaster for more useful videos.